What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another Project Abarth video. So I'm finna take out the headlights and daytime DRL lights, whatever, and so I can put LEDs and my fog lights, whatever. So
whatever.
So, I couldn't find a video to really get into it like that, besides like one, but it wasn't like for Abarth. So to take this bump off, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 T30 Torx bits, bolts, whatever. Looks like this. That basically the whole bumper is T30, which is, I don't know, it's crazy. I had to go buy one. Then once you get that off, you're gonna go to the side. It's gonna be like right up here.
Yeah, I broke it. Whatever.
It's gonna be a T30 right here. You're gonna have to remove Phillips head bolt. It's gonna be right here to hold the fender liner. You gotta remove these 3 fender liner bolts right here, which I already did. See, it's gonna be 3. Yeah, let's see that. 1, 2, and 3. Same thing on the other side. It's gonna be 1. Maybe I can see it right here. It's gonna be a Torx, not Torx, but Phillips head too. And then you got 3 T30 down here at the bottom too that you can remove. Cut this light on. It's gonna be 1 right here, 1 right here, and 1 right here, right in the middle. You can't miss them. Don't touch the bolts, whatever, it's because you see bolts. That's just more work. Just mess with the T30s. It's gonna be 3 clips right here, so make sure you pull those out. You can yank it out if you want to. I mean, it's pretty easy. Just put some pressure on it, it'll come out. Again, do the same thing with the other side. And then once you get right here, I already did these. Also, you're gonna have to remove this right here, which is this, and then nothing but like you push the clamp at the bottom. It's gonna be like this. So just at the bottom of it, you're gonna push the clamp, and it'll come off. Same thing with this to your headlights. It's gonna be right here with the green. This right here, the same thing. It's a clip. Just push this clip in. My vehicle's been sitting and it's been through so much stuff. So, like I said, it's a project. So I had to use a flat head to push down on it and pull it out. And they come right there. And then you got your fog lights right down there. Basically, you do the same thing how you change all these lights you change the same way. It's like remove the cover, whatever. So you just turn, pull out, exposure bolt. You have to replace the light though. It's like 2 tabs on the outside. It's gonna pull. It's 2 tabs, like where my fingers at, that's what tabs. Just pull it apart. Slide. And then the light. This is my new light, or new LEDs. So there's only one way you can put it on there. To the tab part, this is where the tab gonna go, so I keep it from where I'm going and on the sides. So yeah, you can't mess it up. New light. Find the groove. Lock it in. But yeah, that's a little quick video. I'm actually finna be changing the lights, putting yellow LEDs in my fog lights and white LEDs in my DRLs, and I already put the LEDs in this, but I'm taking everything out because I'm wrapping it. I'm not a good rapper, so I'm not gonna do the video on that. I'm not good at tinting stuff or wrap. I don't wrap pieces on here, whatever, and this is like, my method is not professional, whatever, so I'm not gonna make a video on that. So when I record this video, I record it in different like parts. So that's why you see when it went to the last part, I had replaced the fog light, but then the next part, the fog light was still back to OEM. But I just had it different parts, whatever. But I hope this video helps somebody out. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.